Hey, Mustang Rebuilder here. It's Sunday once again. And, behind me is the 2007 Copart Mustang I rebuilt over the winter. And you see the Savini hood I put on it. Well, the problem I've had with the car is it sat at the salvage pool before I bought it for about 6 months. And then I rebuilt it over the winter time. And now it's summertime, so the battery started getting a little bit weak on it, even though it's only a V6. So I went on a lot of forums and looked up and Googled replacement battery for this Mustang, and it came out with a group, I think it's called 96. Doesn't have much cold cranking amps. I think, if you give me a second here, I'll tell you. Cold cranking amps, this battery, if you buy one from AutoZone, would be about 590 cold cranking amps and about 735 regular cranking amps with a 3-year warranty, and they're over $100. I wanted someone that's a little bit better of a battery. And this battery, the one that they recommended, it's a Group 96R. And what I went with was a Duracell battery that I found at Sam's, and it was about $100, and it gave me more bang for the buck. It's Group 40R, and it's a T6 slash T6 on it, whatever that means. And cold cranking amps is 650, and regular cranking amps above 32 degrees is 800 cranking amps. So for this V6, it's nothing, but it'll work on a GT also. Now there are more expensive batteries you can go out and buy, like gel and special racing batteries, but this is just a regular street driving car like most of you are going to have on it. So let me show you the battery and how it fit in the car. All right, we got the hood open, and let's see where we're at. That's the Duracell battery there. It fit in its spot perfect. I noticed it was just a hair wider, but as you can see, it fits in the tray perfect. It might have been a hair taller, which the cables, they reached it perfect. It's fine, no problem. And I'm not going to show you how to replace a battery because, for Pete's sake, it's one bolt down here, pulls off the strap, bolt there, take your terminals off, put your battery in, put them back on. Now what you will find might happen to you is when you pull out a battery, and if you wait a little while, like I did, I waited about a day actually, but I had time to run the Sam's and stuff, is your windows, your electric windows will stop automatically activating up and down, like when you close the door and open the door. Let's see if I show you here. This does work, but you see they went up and down by themselves. Went down and went up. What'll happen, it may stop functioning. If it does, don't panic. It's a simple cure for that. I'll show you that one in the next video. Anyway, have a great Sunday. Easy battery, best battery I found, bang for a buck, around $100. So keep your Mustang running. It's a V6, like I told you. I put a GT grill in it with they have halo lights in it, and that was an easy thing to do too. There's a couple of videos on YouTube how to do it, but I took a bunch of still photos where I'm relocated. The horn is actually relocated, right? I drilled a hole and put it there in the center. It's so simple to do. I mean, if you got any hand tools at home, you can do this. Same thing with this. I enjoy the car, and I'll give you a review on the Savini hood and the Savini side scoops, and let you know what I think about them. Thanks. Have a great Sunday.